Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix Asana member invite not working issue. Many users try to invite team members, but they don't receive the invite, and it usually happens due to email errors, workspace settings, or browser problems. First, check the email address. Make sure it's correct and active. Typos or inactive emails prevent invites from being delivered. Step 1, resend the invite. Go to your project or workspace, click Invite Members, and send again. Sometimes a second attempt works. Step 2, check spam or promotions folder. Asana invite emails may be filtered by email providers. Ask the invitee to check all folders. Step 3, verify workspace or project permissions. Some roles cannot send invites. Make sure you have proper admin or manager access. Step 4, clear browser cache or try a different browser. Outdated cache or cookies may block sending invites. Chrome, Firefox, or Edge usually work best. Step 5, check email domain restrictions. Some workspaces restrict certain domains. Confirm if the invitee's email is allowed in your workspace settings. Step 6, update Asana app if using desktop or mobile. Outdated apps may have bugs preventing invites. Always use the latest version. Finally, contact Asana support if the issue persists. Provide your workspace email and steps tried. Support can resolve account or system side problems. So yeah, fixing Asana member invite not working is about checking email, resending invite, checking spam folders, verifying permissions, clearing cache, checking domain restrictions, updating the app, and contacting support. Follow these steps and your team members should receive invites normally. Thanks for watching. Do like, subscribe, and comment below if this helped. See you in the next one.